Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher, Nancy Pandey. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes at your home. So, today I am here with a exercise of your chapter number 2, that is uses of plants. So before doing the exercise of this chapter, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, in this chapter you had learned about many uses of plants. So, plants have many uses. We get most of our food from plants. Plant give us many things like fruits and vegetables. We eat different parts of plant as vegetables like roots, stems, leaves, flowers and seeds. In this chapter we also learn about cereals and pulses, which is also known as food grains. Cereals are food grains, look like a grass. The plant of cereals are look like grass. The example of cereals are rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat. Pulses are also grains. The example of pulses are moong, kidney bean, etc. Pulses are found inside pods. We get tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar from plants, and we also get spices from the plants. Spices add flavor to our food. It is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark of plants. We get oil from the seed of fruits of plants. We use oil for cooking and oiling our hair. Plant give us fiber, paper, rubber, gum, wood, medicines, etc. So students, plants give us many things that we learn in this chapter. Now let's remember question number first, cross the odd one out. So students, here you have to cross the odd one out from the given words. The first one is cotton, jute, wool, rubber. So students, cotton, jute and wool are fibers, while rubber is a material. So here you have to you have to cross the word rubber. Now let's come to the second one. Erasers, tires, paper and pipes. So students, eraser, tires and pipes are made of rubber. So here the odd one out is paper. Paper is made up of bamboo plant. Now let's come to the third one. Look what is given here. Teak, sesame, pine and kikar. So students, teak, sesame and pine give us wood that is used to make furniture or houses. So here the odd one out is kikar. You have to cross the word kikar because kikar give us gum that is used to make glue. Now let's come to the second one. Name the following. The first one is these are used to make cloth. So students, you know very well fibers are used to make cloth. So here you have to write fiber in the given blank. Now let's come to the second one. We use it to make glue. So we get gum from a kikar tree that is used to make glue. So here our answer is gum. You have to write gum in the given blank. Now let's come to the third one. We get this from the juice of the rubber tree. So students, you know very well we get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. So here you have to write rubber in the given blank. Now let's come to the keywords. The food grains of gram-like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat are known as cereals. Now let's come to the second keyword, pulses. Grains such as moong and kidney bean found inside pods are known as pulses. Now let's come to the last keyword. What is this? Spice. A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark that gives flavor to food. So the keywords is completed now. Let's come on the summary of this chapter. Plants give us food, oil and medicines. We get fibers from plants. Fibers are used to make cloth. We get paper, rubber, gum and wood from plants. Soaps, toothpaste and perfumes are made from juice and oils of certain plants. So my dear students, this is the summary of this chapter. Now let's do the exercises. Question number first. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So students, here few filling the blanks are given with two options in each filling the blanks. So you have to choose the correct one and write in the given blank. The first one is we get most of our food from blank. So students, the chapter name is uses of plants, and you know very well we get most of our food from plants. So here our correct option is plants. Now let's come to the second one. We get fruits and vegetables from. So students, as you know that we get fruits and vegetables from plants. So here you have to write plants in the given blank. Now let's come to the third one. Some blank are ground to make flour. Here the options are cereals and pulses. So students, you know very well we ground wheat, rice or maize to make flour, and these all are cereals. So here our correct option is cereals. So you have to write cereals in the given blanks. Some cereals are ground to make flour. Now let's come to the fourth one. Blank are found inside pots. So my dear students, in the explanation of this chapter, you studied that pulses are found inside pots. So here you have to write pulses in the given blank. Now let's come to the fifth one. We get fibers such as blank from plants. So here two options are given, that is wool and silk. The second is cotton and jute. So students, you know very well wool and silk we get wool and silk from animal. We get wool from sheep and silk from silkworm. So the second option, that is cotton and jute, are correct. So you have to write cotton and jute in the given blank, because we get cotton from cotton plants and jute from jute plant. So our complete sentence is we get fibers such as cotton and jute from plants. Now these exercises are completed. You have to write this in your fair copy. The remaining part of these exercises of this chapter we will do in the next video. I hope you understand all the videos and keywords of this chapter very well by this video. Thank you students. Bye and take care. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home.